I want to die, a plea from a pensioner in southern India suffering from cancer of the lower intestine and bladder when Al Jazeera met her last year. Sarah's mama was 70. She died last January. At the time, her daughter showed me the bills for drugs and hospital treatment. They had already paid more than $3,500 over 5 years. They had no money left. Even cheaper generic versions of the drugs were beyond their reach.
We've tried everything. We've exhausted all our savings and options to save Mum.
India's Supreme Court decided on Monday that Novartis, the original manufacturers of the anti-cancer drug Gilvec, didn't have the right to patent the generic Indian equivalent imatinib mesylate. The verdict was based on whether imatinib was a new drug or not, based on a new formula and molecular structure. The court said it isn't. In India, cancer is the third largest killer. It's estimated that there are 28 million people who have cancer here, and 1 million others are diagnosed with it every year. Losing this case has major repercussions for Novartis and the pharmaceutical industry.
Essentially, what it means is that the Indian Patent Office will be able to continue to reject patents which are trivial in nature. And this has been a practice that Big Pharma has been using to make small changes in molecules and try to get them patented.
Charitable organisations say they need to keep working with big pharmaceuticals to provide affordable drugs for the world's poor, so these legal cases do not distract from the important issue they are all concerned about, saving lives.
It's very important because what happened now is that the generics is going to increase the production. There is no anymore this problem of patent of existing drugs. Therefore, the more medicines are coming now.
Large Western pharmaceutical companies will now have to re-evaluate how they do business in India. For Sarah's mama, the decision came too late. Her family hope that the cheaper, affordable drugs for others in India and around the world will continue, and the verdict in New Delhi will give hope to millions. Sohail, Rahman, Al Jazeera, New Delhi.